You just can't go wrong with chess squares, like around the holidays or any time of year. So let's go ahead and just jump right into this. If you've never made these, you're going to want to try these. So you will add 1 yellow cake mix, any brand, 1 stick of butter melted, and 1 egg to the bowl. And then you are going to just mix that up. This recipe was given to me by my best friend's mother when I was a very young girl. These chess squares have been around a long time. Now, once you've got that mixed up, you're going to need a 9 by 13 baking dish. Go ahead and oil that baking dish, and then you're just going to drop that dough right into that baking dish. Once you've got that dough in the baking dish, just go ahead and press it down, just like that. Now we're going to break out the mixer. And by the way, guys, I got a new mixer. Old Betsy, I had to retire her. She was give out. Okay, now we are going to need 1 block of cream cheese. That's 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese. We're going to add it to our mixing bowl. 2 eggs. Okay, you didn't see me add them, but I did add the 2 eggs. And by the way, you're going to want that cream cheese to lay out for 30 minutes and soften up before you put it in the mixing bowl. But I turn this on low and let those eggs mix into the cream cheese and kind of soften that cream cheese for about maybe 1 minute. After 1 minute, cut that off and add 4 cups of powdered sugar. Now you can slowly add this if you would like, but I went ahead and added all 4 of my cups. Let's turn that mixer on low again, and we are going to let this mix until it's all nice and smooth for about 1 minute. And then we're just going to pour that right on top of our cake mix dough. Once you've got that poured into your baking dish, you want to make sure it's nice and smooth. And we're going to put this in the oven on 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. Depending on your oven, and voila, these are ready to serve. And guys, I was lucky to get 1 chess square. My family loves chess squares. They always have. I mean, who doesn't? They're so wonderful.